this video I'm going to show you how to use an electric drill and this cool chimney sweeping device to clean your flue or chimney on your stove or fireplace. So this chimney sweep is pretty effective and it gives you the ability to clean your chimney from the bottom up. In other words, you don't need to climb on your roof. So I purchased this kit off eBay and it comes with the chimney sweep, the pipes and everything you need minus the electric drill, which you have to supply yourself. And essentially it works by connecting the brush to the tubes and then hooking it into your electric drill. You insert it at the bottom of your fireplace and you push it up the flue all the way till you get to the top, and then you turn it on and pull it back down. Quite simple and easy to use. I've used it many times to clean the inside of my flue and it works terrifically and does a fantastic job at cleaning up the inside of it. So the rods just all easily insert in and clip into place. I know from doing this previously that I will need a total of 6 of these to reach the top of my chimney. Could be a good idea before you start to clean out any of the trays if you've got a stove like mine. This doesn't actually have much soot in it and it will be alright, and I can clean that out at the end. So now I've put 2 of these rods together, I can start inserting this up the chimney. Now just insert a new rod. So you can see already as I'm inserting it, I'm getting a lot of creosote coming out from the chimney, so it definitely needed a good sweep. I've still got 3 rods to go, so let's keep going. Alright, now I've reached the top. Now it's time to connect up the drill. Now you can close your door if you're worried about soot falling back into the house. So now we slowly move back with the drill and then remove each of the section one at a time, reconnecting the drill to the previous section, and then keep on slowly progressively working our way from the top down. We do it that way because if you do it from the bottom up, you can quite easily get carried away and get the head of this cleaner stuck at the top of your flue and get caught up there, and you don't want that, so let's do it from the top down. The speed of the drill is a low to a medium speed. So now I've swept out the entire flue and I've got all of this built up creosote out of my flue. It's made a big difference and really cleaned it out. Let's have a look underneath here. So there's even more down there. Oh damn it. There's even more down there and on the floor than there was in the beginning. And just looking at the ground here, minus this bit here and maybe some of these bigger chunks, not much mess here and quite easy to clean up. So really there's no need to really put plastic over the top. A bit of a waste of time unless you've got an excessively built up chimney. And if you had a door, you could easily close it a little bit to stop bits flicking out. So there we go, it's quite easy to use, very effective. Don't use it on a hot chimney. I do this at the start of the fire season, and then about 3 months later here in Australia is pretty much the end of winter. But probably every 3 months you do this and keep everything nice and clean and safe. Well, thanks for watching, leave a comment and a like. It'll help others find this video, and I hope you got a lot out of it. So see you next time. Bye.